Is Apple Cash available in Canada? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to tell you that is Apple Cash available in Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. As of January 2025, Apple Cash remains unavailable in Canada. Its services are limited to users in the United States. However, Apple Pay is fully operational in Canada, allowing users to make secure, contactless payments using their Apple devices. For peer to peer payment services similar to Apple Cash, Canadians can consider the following alternatives: Interact e transfer, a widely accepted service that enables secure and instant money transfers between Canadian bank accounts. While it's excellent for domestic transactions, it doesn't support international transfers. Pesa, a multi currency digital wallet that facilitates cross border transactions, allowing users to store, send, and receive various currencies. It's designed to streamline financial transactions without extra costs or hidden charges. Wise, formerly TransferWise, a money transfer service that offers transparent, low cost international transactions at the mid market exchange rate. It also provides a multi currency account and debit card, making it suitable for both domestic and international use. These platforms provide Canadians with a range of options for managing their financial transactions, both domestically and internationally. That's all for this video.